here it is, guys. Finally installing my steel bumper. So I went with a white and black color. Alright, let's get going. Alright guys, so we're here at my buddy's house. Pete, what's up, Pete? And with my buddy Bonnie. So it's bumper time. So we're gonna be installing my bumper. I needed help, so I had to go here. So that thing's gonna go away. So I'll show you guys later the end result, and let's get to it. Alright, so this bumper actually comes with a template. So all you have to do is just cut all those lines and then put it on the bumper. So I had it already taped here. So I just need to follow this line right here. And that's where I'm gonna be cutting. So I guess I'm gonna have to remove the bezel first for the fog light. That way it's out of the way, and we're just gonna go ahead and cut it. So as you can see, the line is not a straight, but this is pretty much the line that we're gonna try to follow.
Straighten those lines, dude.
Moment of truth, man! Take your time in removing the crash bar because it's such a tight fit. Last thing you want to do is damage the thread of the bolt and not be able to use it. Alright guys, so unfortunately I wasn't able to take a whole lot of footage of the install. It's just one of those things where you actually are so frustrated that you just wanted to get it over with and just finish the whole thing. You see, this bumper is really heavy. Even with a friend, it's still a struggle to put it in there. Especially the fitting of this bumper is really tight. We actually had to make the holes a little bit bigger just to get it fit. So this bumper pretty much attaches to the original bolts where your crash bars are mounted. So you're gonna see here the two bolts right there, and there's one on the inside right there. So that is the first piece. So this bumper, it comes in two pieces. So that's the first piece. The first piece is actually the one that holds the winch, and the second piece is just the external one. So this external one is actually attached to 3 bolts as well on each side, that is. So that's one, and there's 2 bolts right there. Those are the 3 bolts right there, pretty much. So there's 3 bolts on each side, and yeah, like I said, it's a really tight fit, and we just wanted to get it over with. That's why I just stopped taking video. So that's pretty much how it looks. Overall, I really like how it looks. I'm really happy I went with the white and the black paint combination. And I'm probably gonna be cutting it again on this side because it's kind of, to me, it's kind of uneven. See, the gap here is not a lot, but when you go to the driver's side, the gap is kind of like you can stick your finger in there. So probably gonna redo it. And yeah, like I said, overall I like how it looks. By the way, this bumper is from a company called TJM. They're off of San Diego. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like this bumper on my truck. I'm thinking about putting like a light bar or 2 big pods here. So I don't know. Let me know if you have any suggestions of what should I do. But yeah, like I said, I like it a lot. And thanks for watching, guys. If you do like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.